Hello everyone, good to see you all. Welcome to Excel Visuals with Muttu. In this video, we are going to learn about hiding or unhiding a column or a row. So in a data, if you want entire data to be visible, it's fine. No, I need to hide some informations from the view. For a printout, I need to hide some columns or a rows. For that, what we can do, how can we achieve? We are going to check it here. Number one, this is the sample data. We have plenty of informations, the country code, region, fruits, and then fruit code, discount, the country name, date, everything is mentioned here. What I need from these data, if I check the informations, date have been mentioned two times. Number one, date is mentioned. For checking the date, they have duplicated and prepared one more column. But now I don't need that. What I need to hide this column, the date check, the complete column. I need to hide from the view. For that, what we can do, we will click on a single cell and then we will try to do a right click. But there is no option for hide, right? So we can able to sort or filter, delete and insert, but we can't hide it here. So what we have to do, we have to search the real option, right? I will go to home tab. There in the format we have the option of visibility. In the visibility, I can able to check. If you want to hide the row, you can click this, or hide the columns, you can click these options. Okay everyone, like that. For the unhide, like that, we people have these options. Number one, I will try this. What I will do, in home tab, the format, I need to hide the column, so I will click on the columns. It is hidden there. Yes, right? Now I don't need this 19th row, so what I can do, go to format and then unhide or hide. So I can go to hide rows. It is hidden. 11, 10, 11, 12th is not there. This is the first method of hiding. Go to home tab and hide option. Second, there is a method. I don't need this country code, or I don't need the fruits list here. So what I can do, I can able to select the column or select the row. There if I do a right click, we will get that option. I'm clicking on the E column. I don't need this R. I don't need the country code or fruit code. Fruits we can have. I am going to hide the fruit code. J column I will select. What I will do? Right click. There is the option called as hide. Right click and I can able to do a hide. I like the same. I don't need this data of 22. Select above this row heading or above the column heading. If I do a right click, it will ask hide or unhide. I will give the hide. So for hiding, we can use these two methods. Number one, directly going to home tab and I can able to hide or unhide. Directly doing selecting the column or a row and doing a right click. Okay, fine. But there must be a shortcut, right? So what I am trying to do, I am trying to go to home tab, format. If I go to the hide rows, what is the shortcut mentioned? Control 9. Hide columns, what is mentioned? Control 0. I don't need the discount, so I will click. I need to hide the column, so control 0. Hidden. A shortcut for hiding. Control 0 for hiding entire column. Like the same, control 9 is for hiding entire row. I'm clicking on the 8th row, control 9, which will work. So for hiding row and hiding column, 3 steps. Number 1, by home tab format. Number 2, by selecting the column. Number 3, by using the shortcut. For unhiding, that's really a tough task for the people. What they have to do, I need the, after G, the H column is hidden. I am selecting the G column and I am selecting to unhide, it won't work. I am selecting the I column, unhide, it won't work. Or else I will select any cell and I can go to format. I can go to the unhide rows or unhide columns. It's not working. Why? Why? Because there is a procedure we have to follow. Hiding, very simple. Select, hide, not an issue. For unhiding, you have to select the previous and the next column both, and then you have to unhide. So I have selected the G, then I, then you can use anything. I can go to unhide columns. It is done. I will do undo, right click, unhide columns, that is just unhide. Like the same, 11th and 15th in between rows are there. I can select, go to format, unhide rows. Here you have to specify rows or columns, but in the manual right clicking, select, right click, hide will do that. So hiding and unhiding is easy now. I can select these two, right click, unhide. Like that I can able to make. Now there is a point. What people need is they need to select multiple columns and hide. So what we can do is, if you want the F column and the H column both have to be hidden, hold the control key and with the mouse select the columns you need. I can select this, and what I can do, I can go to right click and I can go for hide, or else I can able to select format, hide, both the same, so no need to worry about anything. Like the same, I can able to select some rows by using control, and I can able to do a right click and then I can hide. But there is a problem. The problem is there are multiple rows and columns hidden in the data. If you want to unhide one by one, you have to select, you have to select again and again, you have to select, and you have to waste your time. If you receive any data in that most of the rows and columns are hidden, I need to unhide everything as a whole in a single go. For that, we can able to do an option. If you select a row or a column, it's doing that operation, right? So what I will do, I will try to select the entire sheet. How to select entire sheet? Click on any cell and we can do a control A, or we can able to select this triangle option, which is entire sheet selection. Now I can able to go to right click, unhide, or format, unhide, it will work. Right click, unhide. I have clicked on the columns, so columns are hidden. I am clicking on the rows, now rows are hidden, rows are unhidden. That's it. So whenever if you want to hide or unhide the data, do it in a proper way by either selecting or going to the option. And for unhiding, very much important, try to select the adjacent and then try to do. For multiple, select everything and then hide or unhide and try to achieve that. That's all. Thank you everyone. We can see in the next video.